So one thing I dislike when I click on a video to review a microphone is when they spend the whole time reviewing that microphone while using another microphone. So today I am reviewing the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. And yes, what you're hearing is actually the microphone. Also, it's Thursday, so let's get this done in 30 seconds. Ready, set, go. So yeah, this is it. And this isn't a new microphone. This is like 3 years old. I'm definitely not the first person to review it, but you know what? There's probably a lot of new creators out there looking to have that crystal clear audio. And I think you can achieve that with this microphone.
New tech.
New tech. That's old tech, but new tech for me. You recommended this to me, by the way. This is something that Xander has.
Yeah,
you have it on
like
a thing.
Boom. I've got it on boom arm.
And you'd probably say, if you watched any of my older videos, that my audio is not that bad. Because in my previous videos, I've been using the Shure SM7B, which is great for at the desk, but whenever I want to be somewhere else, it's a pain in the butt to move around. And I want to keep my audio consistent wherever I go. This is what it sounds like at my desk compared to the SM7B. This is what it sounds like at my desk compared to the SM7B. This is what it sounds like outside, just walking it like a vlog. This is absolutely ridiculous, but this is what it sounds like on the GoPro Hero 9. This is what it sounds like cruising around on a windy day. The batteries that do come with it are rechargeable, but also you can use regular batteries in them if you're in a pinch. It powers on and off when you turn the camera on and off. So all in all, this was a great purchase. I'm very, very happy with it. And it's not that expensive. I put a link in the description down if you want to go check it out.
Time's up.
There we go. Thanks for joining me on another 30-second Thursday. I'm looking forward to creating more, and believe me, I have a long list of videos I can barely keep up with. But as always, I'll see you on the next one.